Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make jambalaya with pasta. Jambalaya is my hubby's favorite, and my favorite version includes shrimp, sausage, and pasta. This is a quick and easy Cajun dish that's packed with so much flavor. So let's get started. Heat oil in a pan over medium-high heat and add 1 pound of peeled and deveined shrimp. Season with salt and pepper and cook until cooked through. This won't take long at all, just cook until the shrimp has turned pink in color, which will take about 2 minutes. After it's done cooking, remove the shrimp and set aside. Add a little bit more oil to the pan and add 12 ounces of sliced sausages. Today I'm using smoked sausages, but you can also use andouille or kielbasa. We just want to get these sausages nice and browned. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Once they're browned, remove and set aside. Add a little bit more oil to the pan and saute 2 sliced bell peppers, 1 diced onion, and 5 minced garlic cloves. We want to cook down the veggies until they're slightly softened. This will take about 4 minutes. Since jambalaya is one of my hubby's favorite foods, he was definitely very pleased when I learned how to make it. Typically, jambalaya is made with rice, but we had it over pasta at a restaurant like over a decade ago, and that's when this recipe was born. It was just so delicious. Now I'm gonna add in 1 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes and 1 cup of chicken broth. You guys, I just wanna remind you, if you like my recipes, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. And now I'm gonna add in what makes this dish so flavorful, some Creole seasoning. It does have a kick to it, so you could add in according to your taste, but I find that 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon is a perfect amount. I'll also leave a link on the one I use in the description below for you guys. We're gonna bring the sauce to a boil and let it simmer for about a minute. Now, just to add a little bit of creaminess, we're gonna add in about 1/2 cup of heavy cream or 1/2 and 1/2. I just love the color that it turns into after I add the cream. At this point, add salt to taste, but remember that the Cajun seasoning already has quite a bit of sodium in it. Now I'm gonna stir in 1 pound of linguini that I cooked according to the package, and I'm gonna return the shrimp and sausages back to the pan. I'm gonna turn off the heat and give it a stir, and we are pretty much done. See how quick and easy that was? And it's loaded with flavor. I can't wait for you guys to try it. And here's our finished product. Nice and saucy, just how I like it. And it's time to serve this up. Seriously, the shrimp, the sausage, that flavorful sauce on the pasta, and I've got the perfect bite right here. So bomb. Never disappoints. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. Don't forget to check out all my other simple and delicious recipes. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.